Take a look at this news, folks. Guardian House says Ripple's growth unfazed by outcome of legal battle with SEC. Stay tuned to find out more details. Hello boys and girls, and welcome to a place where we tell you everything you want to know and everything you need to know regarding your favorite cryptocurrency. In this video, we are going to be talking about none other than XRP. And of course, I will be providing you with a price prediction on XRP, but first of all, I would not want you to miss out on some of the really interesting news and updates that we have prepared for you. Now, before we go over the news, let me first share a couple of price details regarding XRP. If we take a look at the price right now, we can see that the current value is 0.6416, which is actually a drop in the amount of 1.17% in the last couple of hours alone. The trading volume is very slightly down by 0.59%, and as you can see on the screen here, but take a look at the price movement again in the last 24 hours, guys. It's really disappointing. For the last couple of days, since the beginning of the week actually, XRP has been trading in the red. But what's important for us is this dot right over here. So where is this price going to go in the future? If that's what you're wondering, all you would need to do is stay till the end of this video and I will provide you with the price prediction. Now, first of all, let me get back to the news that I started the video with. The US Security and Exchange Commission, SEC, ultimately prevailing in the ongoing lawsuit against Ripple will have a very little impact on the blockchain payments firm business. Ripple Chief Executive Officer Brad Garlinghouse indicated Tuesday that the company is functioning as it already lost the case with the commission. Notably, XRP liquidity in the United States dried up after many cryptocurrency exchanges were forced to boot it out of their platforms. Nevertheless, the Ripple chief noted that the company's exceptional growth comes outside of the US. In particular, 95% of Ripple's clients are non-US payment providers. Garlinghouse then revealed that Ripple has been hiring more people outside of the US. And take a look at this, guys. Ripple plans to expand to Korean market following ODL huge adoption. So indeed, that is true. According to Rahul Advani, head of Ripple's Asia Pacific policy, the company plans to enter the Korean market in earnest this year. Ripple is particularly interested in Korean market, the top executive stated at the Future Blockchain and Digital Asset in Korea conference, which was hosted by Ripple, GBC Korea, and Oxford Metrica and took place on April 27. Now, he also stated that the ongoing Ripple versus SEC lawsuit has no impact on the adoption of Ripple's remittance platform, especially on-demand liquidity ODL. Speaking on the company's intended move, he says that there are no plans to deploy Ripple Liquidity Hub in Korea. However, as part of the preparations for entering the Korean market, Ripple said in March that it had collaborated with Oxford Metrica, a UK-based advisory firm, and GBC Korea, a Seoul-based blockchain-based M&A platform, to publish a white paper that offers policy framework for digital assets and crypto in Korea. So guys, Ripple is operating mostly outside of the US, but how is that reflecting the XRP value? I'm afraid that this movement for the price of XRP is mostly connected to the lawsuit that SEC is leading against the Ripple. So, where is this price going to go? If we take a look at the last 7-day chart, we can see that the downtrend is even more obvious over here. Now, before I tell you the price prediction, guys, I would need to say that I am not a financial advisor, so if you are willing to invest in any kind of cryptocurrency, you should do your own research on this. However, as far as that legal battle goes, take a look at the latest tweet from James K. Phillip. Judge Torres modifies proposed calendar. Motions to exclude expert testimony must be fully briefed by August 30th this year. Motions for summary judgment must be fully briefed by November 15 this year. So this actually only is showing us that this lawsuit will continue all the way through this year. So who will win, we are yet to see. However, the price of XRP right now is down. And take a look at this, guys. The price fluctuates within a triangle on the daily time frame, and the descending line that has accompanied it for more than 230 days has not been broken yet. The blue rectangle has made the top and bottom the price movement. The resistance is found at 0.93 and the support at 0.6. If the bulls break above the current sideways chop by crossing the yellow line, they could aim for resistance. Otherwise, 0.5 may even come into play. So guys, if the bulls break away from this line over here, they may have hit the resistance of 0.93. But what is actually happening? By looking at this chart, guys, only way I'm seeing this price going is either hovering around the value of 0.64 or 0.63 in the very near future, or maybe even going further down to the support of 0.55. So by my opinion, XRP is not a good investment right now. Not at least the bulls gather some more strength to push it across the value of 0.64. Right now the value is 0.6415, and that's a drop of 1.22%. So we would need the trading volume to pick up into green in order for the bulls to gather strength and push this price up. Right now we are not seeing that. If you like this video, leave me a comment, and thank you for viewing.